Hey. We'll have a good coffee intro on this channel, don't we? We're not shy of showing a coffee machine or two. But anyway, welcome back. We're here for the BB57 Xmas comp giveaway. The last, I think this is the actual last, so this was your last chance of winning a 2018 Wes Champion number board. So if you're watching this thinking, oh, that'd be nice, I'd like to win one of these, you're too late. But stay tuned, because there'll be more giveaways to come on the channel as it continues to grow and progress into
a few moments later
into something beautiful. And if you're here just because I've clickbaited you in with the title being a fails video, don't worry, there's plenty of fails coming. I've had a quick look at a couple of the entries, and there's some, just off the few I've looked at, there's some corkers, so just bear with. I hope you can hear. And literally, as I said, I hope you can hear. Fucking Hardy-Dar starts squawking. All the English people are going to think I've just made that name up, a Hardy-Dar, but that's actually a bird that lives around here. But anyway, we're outside. Don't normally do these outside because it's normally far too noisy, but it's actually New Year's Day, and I'm guessing everyone's hungover because there's not a lot of action at all. The canal's pretty dead, and even the birds must have had a heavy night because they're pretty silent. There's another one just gone off now. But in general, they're quite quiet. So I thought I would come outside, get amongst the South African sun, and get these winners announced. Before we're going further, shameless merch plug. Actually, I'm not really dressed properly for a shameless merch plug. One sec. Right, that's better. Merched up. From the moment this video drops, the store, shopbb57.com, is going to have 40% off absolutely everything. Stickers, lanyards, t-shirts. Is that everything we sell? I think that's about everything we sell. Every order comes with a little signed poster anyway, so a few people ask for signed posters, you get them free with every order. But anyway, 40% off absolutely every single item while stocks last. Hopefully that just about sells out everything, and then we're going to come back with a massive, monumental, gigantic bang in the new year. It's going to be huge. We can crack on with the video. Oh, and also, thank you very much for the new subscribers. I had an abundance over the Christmas period. The last video I said, can we get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year? It's New Year's Day today, and we just hit 21, so that's insane. Very, very happy with that. Let's go for a slightly more ambitious target next time. Let's go for 30 by the end of January, okay? Right, now we can start with the video. I'm going to go through them all, and I'll pick out the best ones, the sketchiest ones. We'll have a run through, and then at the end I'm going to announce the 6 winners. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What we got here? Not a lot happening, but I feel like it could get interesting. I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. Oh fucking hell, that was brilliant. Such a friendly sporting duo. If I was in motocross, to be there scrapping, trying to gouge each other's eyeballs out now. My man on the KTM took it very well. Oh mate, that was pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. Oh, slack dab there, lad. Didn't need that one. We'll skip. We need the there we go. That's what other people want to see. What even happened there? Oh dear, Gareth. Sort it out. I seen this one. This one's fucking mint. I've got to turn the volume up for this one. Bit of trials. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Ella. Rock to the... I think you managed to miss your face, but I didn't look overly pleasant. Oh my god. Oh, that was brutal. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh dear, that's not gone well. That was considerably deeper than you were anticipating, isn't it? Oh, she's well under. Oh yeah, and you were revving it as it went under as well. Oh. I like that. Hashtag BB57 Aximus Comp. Me, Ed and Tom all tagged. Full supporter of the YouTube. What is happening? Yes, lad! Oh, that's brilliant. A lot of time for that. We can't have the tune, but I've seen a few videos. There's this little ripper before, and he goes good. Fucking hell. But for 65, some of the stuff he's doing is pretty naughty. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god. He's not scared, is he? This first clip's bad boy though. Very trick. Good lad. Oh no. Nothing worse, lad. Oh, I feel for you. Duos retardos this year. You know what that means? I've seen this one before. Doesn't get any better. Second time round. Oh, we've all been there. I felt my balls shrivel up just watching it. Bit weird, Rocket Ralph, but you've got to appreciate the effort that's gone into that. Nice. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. I can't play the music for the ads, but it's a good song choice. Good effort, lads. Whee! Okay, now. Not the one. Oh, watch the side stand at the end. Oh, little legs. That's where he went wrong. Was this Graham? Oh, that's a biggie. That one's... Oh. Oh. That didn't sound nice. Oh. Hold on. Looks sick. Oh. Oh. I mean, this lad does some crashing. Oh, great content. Top notch. Oh. Oh.
One thing, I got something in my side. Fuck you.
Oh, full salmon. Go on, lad. Oh. Oh, he's hit the deck properly. Oh, poor lad. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, I know got GoPro. Oh, poor fella. Get well soon, lad, if you're watching. Ooh. Another entry from Graham, I think. Ooh, you need to go faster. Oh. Where's the rest of your video? Oh, that was fantastic. Oh, fuck. Fucking hell, you hit them well hard. You poor mates. Hope you bought them a beer after that. Oh, these mountain bike ones are scare me. That's... Oh. Whee. Ups up. We got a little ripper. Oh shit. Oh dear. I hope all these kids are alright. Their parents are clearly submitting. Just using the child's crashes to try and get himself a number board. Oh, that's too steep. And too high. Oh. Oh. And the bike landed on a tree. Played that well. Well played. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. What are we on here? XR125. Oh, that won't like being underwater. Oh, there, cool thing. L plates on, just keep PC plod happy. If anyone's not from England watching this, this is rain. This is what we ride in 90% of the time. It's not very nice. Any more crashing? Oh, that's deep. Oh, that does not look fun. Oh, XR125's back. Oh, down again. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. She takes it well though. Not shy of a crash, that's what you want. Oh, brilliant. That last little rat. You can't have that. There we go, that's impressive. Big girl. Oh dear. More speed needed. Oh, oh, oh dear. What the fuck happened there? Oh. Oh, the pier got folded in half. Whee! Got a bit of whiskey. Go on. Phone's about to die, and the camera's about to die. We're not in a good position here. Oh! Oh! A lot of over the barses. A lot of over the barses. No, this is the same one as before, but I did enjoy it. Let's have another go. Right, whoa, where's that off? Oh. You're alright. Cameraman shit himself, didn't he? Go on, lad. Oh dear. Oh dear. More speed next time, lad. Back onto trials knobbing. Go on.
First word that comes to mind. Daddy! Oh, I like your cut, G. First word that comes to mind.
I feel bad. Oh, it's proper this, isn't it? I have to play it again actually without sound just for the cash money. Big stoppy guy. Oh dear, what's happening here? Well, his shed's stronger than Graham's shed, put it that way. Oh, lucky man. Oh. Is this the full version? "2020 bought some incredible garden antics, didn't it? The levels of boredom some people must have got to. Well, got full tap. Oh. Go on. Not crashing, but valiant effort on a little. I think I was a 65, was it? Oh. Oh. Oh, is he alright? A little throwback, giving a 4x4 kiss at the start of the day. I got up and rode on like, cause I'm proper hard. Nope. Slippy that ice, isn't it? Slippy. Alright, I probably won't show all them because that took way longer than I was expecting. It's going to take an absolute mission to edit that. Thought this one would be quicker than the last one, but it's not. I'm going to save this type of video for when I'm back in the UK and it's got to do it. But if you didn't get picked, don't worry, don't be too disheartened. I'm going to try doing reaction video, let's say once a month. So I'll put a hashtag on the screen now of what you can tag in any of your videos at any time. And again, I'll have a flick through, let's say once a month, and go through and react and show your crashes. Let's make Bill's crash reel. That's what it's called. Hashtag Bill's crash reel. Be on the screen. Hashtag Bill's crash reel can be a monthly feature to the YouTube channel. That's the first big move of 2021. Bill's crash reel. So you can post them at any time, tag that in, and then once a month we'll flick through, show the best ones, and give a prize, some kind of prize away once a month. There we go. Thanks for watching, thanks for entering, thanks for subscribing, thanks for buying t-shirts. You're all going to go and buy t-shirts, aren't you? And I'll leave you guys with the winning entries. If it's your video, if your video is one of these winning ones, check out the description of the video and it'll tell you what to do to claim your prize. Don't forget, everything on shopbaby57.com, 40% off, absolutely everything. It'll tell you in the description whether you need to use a discount code or it'll just be done automatically. I need to ask Ed what we have to do. But anyway, I need to tell him also that we're going to do 40% off. But anyway, don't worry about that. You just like the video and tell your mates. See you in a bit, bye.